Hellos, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kendra Nicole. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, it's always nice to see you guys. So today I'll be installing this braided wig, two-tone color. It's black and one of my favorite colors, evergreen, hunter green, pine green. I just love that green. So it is a handmade wig by Doiyenne, so be sure to check them out. And yes, let's get right into this video. No long talking today. Alright, so I don't really got much here to play with, so I just, molded it down with some gel with the middle part because this wig is a middle parted wig and it's not a wig that you can play around with the parting. And then I chose not to do the ball cap method. I did not bleach the knots, nor did I have to use foundation or concealer. And you guys will see how realistic this wig looks once installed. And then I'm just going to go in with my lip liner or eyebrow pencil, whichever one. I use them both for the same thing. And I'm just going to indicate where I want to, put the wig down. Side note, shout out to me having a big forehead because I can definitely get away with playing around with that. I used to be made fun of when I was younger, but look at me now. Using it to my advantage. So yeah, anyways. Then I'm going to cut it into 3 sections so, it's easier to lay down. And I'm also going to be using the Made to Flourish Stay Down Bundle Adhesive Glue Set for this install. If you guys haven't checked out the video, my last video with me interviewing the CEO of Made to Flourish, be sure to go check that out. And yeah, so I'm going back in to indicate once again where I want to place the glue. You see me going a little bit extra hard right there. Yeah, right there and right there again. Yeah, don't do that. Please don't do that. You could just make some slight marks of indication. You don't have to go so hard because it can get in the way once you cut it. It can look a little bit off, but I did use baby wipes to remove as much as I can, and then I just went back in with some Got to Be Free spray to lay it back down if it lifted. And yeah, so right now I knew that I didn't want to have this wig on for too long. I really just wanted to install it because I got my eyebrows done and I wanted to get my, I wanted the whole look with my hair done and everything. I wanted to look cute for the weekend. So I just added 1 layer for that purpose. If you do want or you do know that you will have your wig down for more than 2 to 3 days, you can add more layers as you wish. That's fine as well. So I'll just come back if I have anything else to comment on or explain. So, clumsy me, I sat on one of the braids because, this braid is 26 inches long, and that kind of pulled back the front part that I had already glued in the beginning. So you're going to see, that's why it looks like it's lifting up, but don't stress. Like I told you guys, I just went back with some Got to Be Free spray at the end and just fixed that bad boy up. So I just came to explain that little minor, hiccup. So again, once again, just, continue watching this video, enjoy it, and just ignore me. Just ignore me.
I'm really happy for you. Okay? Okay. Let's go have some fun.
All right, so I cleaned up around it. I try to do my baby hairs like Aaliyah Jay. If you guys follow her on Instagram, she recently did like these. It was like baby hairs, but like it was like going off of her forehead, and it looked like butterfly kind of effect, like with, I don't know how to explain it, but it was just so nice. But I need to practice that skill still. So for now, we're gonna go with the old school way of doing your baby hairs. And I don't really like too much baby hairs. I prefer no baby hairs at all, but I just did like a 1-2 swoop here and there. This is what it is looking like. It looks like my own, like it looks like I went to the hair salon and got it done. So I'll show you guys. So it starts from there, and yeah, stops like right under my waist kind of. 26 inches of fun. So yeah, so I'm gonna probably do a little 1-2 look. I want to get dressed up and do a photo shoot with like this background, so I'm gonna do all that so you guys can see me post on Instagram. If you guys are not following me yet, follow me on Instagram at Kendra Nicole OX. I'm gonna leave it over here somewhere and down in the description box and the comment box for you guys to do so. I hope you guys loved this look. I hope you guys loved this wig. Don't forget to check out Doiyenne on Instagram. I'm also gonna be leaving their name here and down below. Check them out if you'd like to have yourself a handmade Fulani braided wig. Honestly, I like that it came with the extra hair on the side, so in case I needed, in case like let's say if my head was maybe like my forehead where I have to put the wig down, if it was bigger or wider, I don't know how to explain it, I could have been, if that was the case for me, I could have braided more hair to fit, or in my case it was not, so I was able to cut it over my ears without destroying the wig or the style of the wig. I really love that. I also like the fact that I did not have to put on do the ball cap method with this wig, and it looks like it is mine. It looks like I just came from the hairdresser and got a fresh braid up. It's very light, it's not like snug, like I'm able to do my thing. What else do I like about it? I love the color. You know, this is one of my favorite colors, so I love that. It's great for all year long. So like I'm gonna have this wig forever. Like I'm gonna have this style forever. Whenever I want to do my hair like this with this color, I'm gonna have this forever. So that's one thing. That's another thing I really love about these braided wigs. Like, this is not gonna come out. I don't see how it's gonna come out. The ends are like braided like all the way, so that untangling, I don't see that happening unless someone is just, they want to just entertain themselves and they start untangling these, like, you know. What else I love about this wig? I don't know, like it just looks really realistic. And this is gonna be my summer wig. This is gonna be my all season wigs pretty much, baby. Like that's it, that's all. Like yeah. I need to clean up my face some more. That's the one thing I hate about residue, but that's not from the Made to Flourish glue. This is just, I added a little bit of the Got to Be glue, this free spray I should say. You guys already know how that goes with that free spray. the works. So I'm gonna continue to clean that up, and I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to start my photo shoot. I'll show you guys my outfit, and yeah. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. It was my pleasure to do this install for you guys here today. So leave me a 2 thumbs up down below if you liked this video. If you didn't, tant pis pour vous. La vie goes on. As per usual, stay blessed and stay safe. See you guys in my next video. Ciao.